encouraging them to reach beyond their potential. Thank you.
I really feel blessed that today we are completing 10 years of our journey of Reach Beyond, and with support of my governing council, my interns, my volunteers and my lovely, lovely children, that we have been able to achieve many feathers in our flag. Some things like with the technology, we have done some online and offline classes, and during pandemic also, we could keep in touch with our children on WhatsApp, providing them with recharging money, and also when we couldn't do that, we gave them some laptops, and we are grateful to Rotary that seeing this, they sponsored some tabs, so children were very happy. And today, with the Rotary Club, we are initiating one more skill that we are going to be starting fashion designing. With this, positive psychology is going higher and higher, and the skills of positive psychology are inbuilt in all the skills what we are imparting through our activities. And we're looking forward to more support and strengths from whoever can. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. One decade of devotion, discipline, determination has brought us to this level. And I am very pleased to be a part of it, and I thank Jayashree for making me a part of Reach Beyond. It gives me immense pleasure to see the smiling faces of all these young children. And my dream for Reach Beyond is that we become one of the best centers, not only for positive psychology, but for all the skills. Because when you learn a skill, you become self-sufficient, and that's what our Prime Minister said, Atmanirbharta. So I think we all need to make ourselves strong and decide that we are going to be the best. We are going to make use of every facility available in Reach Beyond. And if we do that, I'm sure more and more organizations will come to help us. And also, we want to make it professional. Make it a certificate course, be it for sewing or for mehndi or for jewelry designing or any of these skills that we develop, or even positive psychology. Let it become a certification course so that that will hold value wherever you go. So I wish all the children of Reach Beyond all the very best, and may you grow up to be strong, wonderful citizens of tomorrow. Thank you.
Hello, good evening children. Good evening one and all. A hearty congratulations to Reach Beyond team for successfully completing 10 solid years. I wish all the best and hope Jayashree reaches more higher and highest point with all the achievements, with the support of all the governing council, volunteers, interns, children and the staff of Reach Beyond. I am very pleased to be associated with Reach Beyond for the last 8-9 years, and I have seen it growing, which I can't express in words. You will just see it when the program follows where they have reached. I am very happy to see all the children doing so well. Thank you Reach Beyond, thank you Jayashree, and thank you children.
Hi everyone. I really thank Jayashree and her family for supporting this noble cause of creating such lovely citizens. We are going to present the best citizens, I feel. We are creating such nice people and sending into the society. I'm so proud of it. Thank you.
5 years ago, when I came to Reach Beyond for the first time, I thought I'm a graduate, I'll be able to teach something to the children of Reach Beyond. But it turned out exactly the opposite. I basically learned a lot of things from the children, and the kind of affection that they bestowed on me. Even on the road, sometimes when I see them, they call me sir, which I really feel sorry that I'm not your teacher anymore. But then I really have learned quite a lot from you all. I wish Jayashree a very, very successful career and reach beyond the 10th anniversary, a very, very grand success. I wish to see the silver jubilee of Reach Beyond in the next 15 years. Thank you very much and long live Reach Beyond.
Children are ready with your speech, that is fine, but on the spot. Welcome.
We are very happy to be here, and congratulations on reaching 10-year milestone to everybody at Reach Beyond, including the people who run it as well as the students. I have been associated with Reach Beyond for almost 5 years now, although in the last 2-3 years I haven't been very active. But the time that I spent here was very, very rewarding for me, and I'm sure the kids enjoyed, learning dance and different things as well. But I learned a lot from them, and I learned to be happy, I think, at Reach Beyond more than anything. So it's a lot of learning that happened here for me as well. So I hope to see them grow the same way, and I hope to be able to support in whichever way I can, and be a part of it still. Thank you.
Thank you, Indra.
Because I was thinking previously I was a lake. Once coming here to the Reach Beyond, I am daily analyzing myself. I am simply a water drop. It is not a lake, it is a river, it's a flow. It won't stop in one place. So thanks. I want to say the thanks and giving a wonderful experience to me, to Jayashree ma'am and the Reach Beyond. The children also, the very awesome, their talents were too good. There is nothing to teach to them. They will teach me. Whatever I am learning here is getting the knowledge from the children, not giving the knowledge to the children. Thank you to all the children and the staff and volunteers for your cooperation, for giving me this opportunity to tell my feelings.
I have 2 feet. One foot is in Reach Beyond, the other one is in Rotary. Okay? So I belong to the Rotary Club of Cantonment Secunderabad, and we are very, very happy that we are associated with Reach Beyond. And we were looking for and I won't say much more because my president is here. The president of our club is here, Rotarian Ramakrishna. I would like him to talk about this association. And thanks to him, ye Gathbandhan hua.
Thank you, Manji ma'am. मैं एक प्रश्न पूछ सकता हूँ? Sure. What is the most beautiful thing you have seen? आपने कौन सा अच्छा शेर, मतलब जो भगवान ने बनाया ना, कौन सा देखा? Good. You are very bold. I could see that. Very nice. That is what is expected. Anybody else? Any child? Any children? Anybody?
Telugu, if you say my little ones will...
Yeah. నా ప్రశ్న ఏంటంటే మనం మోస్ట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ థింగ్ ఏం చూసాం ఇన్ దిస్ ఇప్పటివరకు యాక్చువల్లీ హీ హాస్ టోల్డ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ మై మైండ్ మై ఆన్సర్ ఆల్సో ఈస్ సేమ్ బేసికలీ ఈచ్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఈజ్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ థింగ్ ఈచ్ ఆఫ్ us the creation of God, these are the beautiful things in this universe, in this world, because the systems, whatever are there in the human body, they are very complex. You must have read, isn't it? Very complex systems are there. Whether you take, nervous system, you take heart, you take blood pumping. I mean, they are all the beautiful things. So look at you as a beautiful thing. Okay? Now you say, who is the beautiful thing? Yeah. So we are not things, but we are all the beautiful creations of the God. Okay? Thank you all. Best wishes to Reach Beyond. I have lots of praise for the efforts put by all the team and led by our, Dr. Jayashree ji and so many other, volunteers, teachers and parents and all of you. This is my first association. And through Manju ma'am, we are able to do all this thanks to her.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
And we wish to do many more things with you all in future. Thank you.
We are especially thankful and privileged to have our esteemed chief guest Sri Madhukar Swami Garu, who is the CI of Karkana Police Station.
I hope everyone had a look on the stalls which we arranged.
If not, please have a look before going.
So we will come on to the point. Reach Beyond is a center for positive psychology and is a source of comfort for many people. So today the children of Reach Beyond are going to showcase their talent and creativity through various craft and performance.
Let us start off with a prayer to begin this program properly.
So be it.
The theme is about Atmanirbhar. So what do you mean by Atmanirbhar?
Atmanirbhar means self-dependent. Hope you understand more clearly by the end of the program. Means today is a song that depicts of hope, which was taught by our lovely volunteer Harshita ma'am.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात, आशाएं आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग आए जा अपने राग राग, आशाएं आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा, खुद कुछ हो जाए खुदा। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं 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 आशाएं।
Thank you. Thank you, Harshita ma'am, for teaching this lovely song to us.
Lovely song by Ashika. So please, Ashika, come to the stage.
है तू एक रात जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला। तेरे जुनूं के आगे अंबर पनाने मांगे, कर डाले तू जो फैसला। रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह। Thank you.
Oh wow, what a fabulous performance that is.
Yes, it is. So Soumya, what is next now?
Oh, now we have heartfelt speech from Rohit about his journey in Reach Beyond.
Okay, Rohit, the stage is yours.
Hello everyone, I am B. Rohit of class 8 from Dunrock Enclave High School. Today I am going to share my experience at Reach Beyond. I came to Reach Beyond when I was 10 years old. My cousin Ramya introduced me about Reach Beyond. I joined Reach Beyond when I was in class 3rd. I have completed a wonderful journey of 5 years in Reach Beyond. I hope many more I can complete, many more years I can stay here. Now I want to say about events that are done in our Reach Beyond Center. We have done many events like Scrabble tournaments, drawing competitions, annual day celebrations and Teachers Day celebrations. Past 1 year, I have been in many activities like Scrabble tournament where I stood 3rd and also like Worli paintings and art bazaar. And I have participated in many activities like I have participated in chess competitions. We had an international tournament of Scrabble past 1 year and I got 3rd rank. And every year Reach Beyond conducts new activities like gratitude journaling, which taught me to express gratefulness to human beings and nature. And every year Reach Beyond takes us to picnics. Like every year we'll go to NIFT, National Institute of Fashion Technology, and I am thankful to Rotary Club members for donating us tabs. And in this pandemic period, Jayashree ma'am has gave us stayed connected on WhatsApp with me, and they gave us laptops for our online classes. And I am thankful to Rotary Club members for donating us tabs. It made my life easier. I am deeply grateful to Reach Beyond for Reach Beyond for honing my skills and shaping me as an individual. Thank you.
Oh wow, what an inspiring journey that is.
Yes, that is. I could also see my own story of improvement in Rohit.
Oh, what was that?
That for our next performance by our juniors. It is dance.
यादों की बारात निकली है आज दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे। यादों की बारात निकली है आज दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे। नाई बीते दिलों को पुकारे, दिल के द्वारे। प्यारे प्यारे संग हमारे। बदले ना अपना ये आलम कभी, जीवन में बिछड़ेंगे ना हम कभी।
That was really an outstanding performance by our juniors.
Yes, that made us to remember our childhood games.
Now let's see that Vishnu and Guru Prakash have been experimenting from few days. Vishnu and Guru, let's see the experiment on mini hydrogen generator. Let's welcome them.
Mini hydrogen generator using the simple items like glass jar, copper wire, HW battery and plastic pipe and water, salt and also nuts.
So a mini hydrogen generator is based on it can generate electricity and it can take out the hydrogen particles from water. We should do the water, salt water, then it can remove the hydrogen particles. So let's start our experiment. So this is a wooden stick and a copper wire. We put it on here, scrolling it. So I'm putting some water in this. Now I'm putting some salt in this to make it salt water.
So now we are mixing the salt.
So now I am mixing the salt. I should mix this till the salt should be dissolved. Now the salt has been dissolved. So I filled some water in the second glass jar and now I'm starting this.
some bubbles are coming here, so the experiment is working, and the bubbles is taking out the hydrogen particles from it and generating the electricity. It stores that electricity into the battery. We should wait for some time to come some bubbles. So this needle is used to show that hydrogen particles in this. So this one will take out hydrogen particles from the water, and the waste one will be in this glass jar. And till then we should put this on till the water should become less dense. So this needle will take out hydrogen particles from this. That means the water has become less dense. So I'm going to show the hydrogen particles coming from this.
Yeah, that is a little far. Yeah. You see the bubbles coming in the water. They're supposed to be done here.
Here the bubbles will come. We can put fire, but it's hazardous for us. But it's hazardous for us. Thank you.
Experiment
Will show all other skits by our student on Atmanirbhar.
Let the curtain rise.
రండమ్మ రండి 10 రూపాయలకి కిలో 10 రూపాయలకి కిలో ఆలుగడ్డలు రండమ్మ రండి కొత్తమాల్
Can you give me 2 kg potatoes please?
అదేమైతలే అన్న
English రాదా అన్న?
రాదన్న
నాకు 2 kg ఆలుగడ్డలు ఇస్తావా?
సరే
పైసలు నేను 200 ఇచ్చినాను 100 ఇచ్చినావు.
అంతే అన్న
ఐజాబ్ నీకు లెక్కలు రావా?
రావన్నా
మళ్ళీ నష్టం వస్తే ఎట్లా? మళ్ళీ నీకు పైసలు తక్కువైతే
డాడీ రోజు హాస్పిటల్ అంతే రోజు ఒక్కరోజు
అయ్యో ఏడవకే, అట్లా ఏడవద్దు ఎప్పుడు. అయితే ఇక లెక్కలు రావు కదన్నా. అయితే నువ్వు మా రీచ్ బియాండ్ సెంటర్కి రావచ్చు. రీచ్ బియాండ్ సెంటర్ రావచ్చు. పొద్దున ఏమైనా పని ఉంటే వేసుకోవచ్చు, పొద్దున సాయంత్రం వచ్చి నేర్చుకోవచ్చు లెక్కలు. ఇంకేమైనా చదువుకునేది ఉంటే నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. స్ట్రాబెరీ
అది ఎదురుండే అన్న.
ఇది సికింద్రాబాద్ పిఎన్టీ కాలనీ కార్ఖానా.
సరే అన్న వస్తా.
ఇప్పుడు నా 80 రూపీస్ ఇస్తావా?
సరే
Vishnu, today we helped someone. No, Vishnu, I am feeling good.
Same to you.
यार मुझे तो ना हेयर कट करवाना था, कल पार्टी है ना. हाँ चलो चलो मार्केट पे चलो. अरे ब्यूटी पार्लर जाना है ना. चलो ना. क्यों ब्यूटी पार्लर जाना है? चलो मैं बोल रही ना. मैडम आई विल डू हेयर स्टाइल एंड मेकअप मैम. आप तो बहुत छोटी हो ना. आई लर्न इन रीच बियॉन्ड मैम. ओह ये रीच बियॉन्ड का है. इन पीएनटी कॉलोनी सिकंदराबाद मैम. ओह चलो एक बार निकलेंगे. ठीक है. वाह कितना अच्छा है. ओह तुम तो बहुत अच्छा करती हो. थैंक यू मैम. एंड हाउ मच? 300 मैम. ओके. तुम बता सकती हो टेलर शॉप कहाँ है? हाँ यस मैम आई नो. मुझे वहाँ तक लेके जाओ. यस मैम. This is only. मुझे एक कपड़ा स्टिच करा दोगे? Yes ma'am, I will stitch for you. Oh, आप तो बहुत अच्छा इंग्लिश बोल लेती हो. I learned it in Reach Beyond ma'am. There they are teaching different types of skills for the girls and boys to depend on themselves, not on others, to be Atmanirbhar. Wow! Oh, wow! मुझे एक फैशन डिजाइन ड्रेस चाहिए. Yes ma'am, see there I have stitched some dresses. What you want you can choose. I want that one. Okay ma'am, I will stitch. Color pink होना दो टॉप. ठीक है मैम. Thank you. Earrings का शॉप का है? Ma'am, go right. There will be a shop. Thank you. हेलो.
हेलो.
मुझे एक अच्छा वाला पिंक कलर का कमल दिखाओगे?
They are in pink and purple shade. You can see.
अरे ये तो हैंडमेड है ना? हाँ ये तो हैंडमेड है. तुमने बनाया?
Yes, I have learned in Reach Beyond.
Wow.
They taught us this.
Oh, it's very nice. I want one pair. नहीं 2 pair होना. मुझे भी होना है. Oh. How much?
40 rupees each pair.
अरे सब लोग बोल रहे रिजबियन किधर है? रिजबियन मुझे भी जाना है. रिजबियन. हाँ यार मुझे भी जाना है. कल से हम जाएंगे.
Stop fighting, stop fighting. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Why you three are fighting?
अभी मेरा बैटिंग है पर वो खेल रहा है. అన్న అతను అవుట్ అయింది మరి మేము ఆడద్దా? मैं आउट ही नहीं हुआ.
You are playing cricket? Yeah. Cricket is a friendly game. Why you are fighting? Just play. You are playing, only 3 are playing here. Even we can join you. Yeah, let's make teams and play. Come. We 4 are in one team. They 3 are in one team. It's tails. You won. Yeah.
रोहित तू हमारे साथ पढ़ता था ना इतना अच्छा इंग्लिश कैसे बोल?
Yeah, I learned it from Reach Beyond. First I used to be like playing like this and fighting like this, but I changed myself by going to Reach Beyond, and I knew I can solve any situation, any problem. I understand situations and I'll solve the problems. Reach Beyond is in Secunderabad Karkhana P&D Colony. You all want to join us?
Yes.
Yeah, tomorrow you meet me here only. I'll take you to Reach Beyond.
Yes bro, we will come. Hello everyone, my name is V. Guru Prakash and our skit name is Atmanirbhar and my name is V. Guru. Hello everyone, my name is Vishal. I am in 6th standard. Hello everyone, my name is Nagesh. I am in 8th standard.
My name is Lokesh. I am studying 6th standard.
My name is B. Vishnu. I am studying in 7th standard.
I am Rohit of class 8.
Class 7. My name is Kajal. I am studying in 6th class. My name is Ramya. I am studying in 7th class.
I am Soumya from 9th standard.
My name is Rasmi. I am studying in 5th class. My name is Siri Chandana. I am studying in 6th standard. Ramya, what is storyline, Ramya? Storyline is beginning, problem, solution, conclusion. Rohit, do you know what are characters?
Yes, I know. Characters are the people which are involved in skit or drama. Guru, do you know what are props?
Yes, props are things which we use in the story, like we use bat, ball, earrings, clothes and scissors, potatoes also, etc. Vishnu, what are sounds?
Like stitching sounds and fighting sounds and batting sounds and bowling sounds, etc. etc.
We are especially thankful and privileged to have our esteemed Chief Guest Sri Madhukar Swami Garu, who is a CI of Karkana Police Station and all other police.
Madam, I request you all to come on the stage and speak for you words.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Fiba David, Women Police Constable of Karkana PS. I was appointed in 2018. I'm working since 3 years in this police station, and I'm pursuing my MA English Literature. So I think everybody is comfortable in Telugu, so that I can continue in Telugu. First of all, really very happy and really we feel honored. ఇక్కడికి రావడం అనేది చాలా సంతోషంగా అనిపిస్తుంది, మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ చూడడం, పిల్లలందరినీ చూడడం. సో రీచ్ బియాండ్ నిజంగా చాలా తక్కువ మంది ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళని మోటివేట్ చేసి ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపిస్తారు. పిల్లలు అంటే అల్లరి, కిడ్స్ అంటేనే అల్లరి. ఆ అల్లరిని ఎక్కువ ఎవరు తట్టుకోలేరు, ఇంట్లో పేరెంట్సే చాలా కష్టం తట్టుకోవడం అనేది. బట్ అలాంటి వాళ్ళని కూడా మేమున్నాము, మేము ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తాం, వాళ్ళని చూస్తాము అని చెప్పేసి రీచ్ బియాండ్ వాళ్ళు ముందుకు రావడం అనేది నిజంగా చాలా సంతోషంగా అనిపిస్తుంది. అంటే మేము ఇయర్స్ నుంచి ఉన్నాం కానీ ఎప్పుడు మాకు పెద్దగా పరిచయం లేదు. బట్ ఒకసారి మేడం వచ్చి చెప్పాక, సార్ నాకు మా ఇన్స్పెక్టర్ సార్ గారు రాలేకపోయారు, సో సిఐ మధుకర్ స్వామి మా ఎస్హెచ్ఓ గారు, యాక్చువల్లీ మాకు సీఎం రూట్ ఉంది, సో దాని బిజీలో ఉండి రాలేకపోయారు. ఆన్ బిహాఫ్ ఆఫ్ హిమ్ మేము వచ్చాము. మేడం డాక్టర్ జయశ్రీ మేడం గారు, షీ ఈజ్ ద ఫౌండర్ ఫర్ దిస్. నిజంగా హార్టీ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ ఫర్ యూ మేడం. అండ్ పిల్లలు మీరు చక్కగా చదువుకోవాలి. వాట్ ఆల్ ద యాక్టివిటీస్, మీకు ఏవైతే యాక్టివిటీస్ నేర్పిస్తున్నారో మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా నేర్చుకోవాలి. మీరు ఎక్కువ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపించి నేర్చుకుంటే వాళ్ళకి ఇంకా ఎక్కువ నేర్పియాలని ఉంటుంది, అవునా కదా? సో మీరందరూ ఇంకా బాగా నేర్చుకోండి, సో దట్ యూ కెన్ ఏమంటారు గ్రో మోర్. సో నేను చూశాను, నేను మీ ఏజ్ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చాను అని అంటే ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎ గోల్. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి నాకు ఒక గోల్ ఉండేది, నేను యూనిఫామ్ వేసుకోవాలి ఎలా అయినా అని చెప్పేసి. సో నేను ఎగ్జామ్ రాసినప్పుడు చాలా లక్షల మంది రాశారు ఎగ్జామ్. సో అందులో నేను సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యానంటే ఎలా సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యాను? యా. సో మీకు కూడా అది ఉండాలా, ఏదన్నా నాకన్నా పెద్ద ఆఫీసర్స్ అవ్వాలా మీరు. మేమే కాదు, మాలాంటి ఆఫీసర్స్, మీరు పోలీసులు అవ్వాలని అనుకుంటే పోలీసులు అవ్వచ్చు, డాక్టర్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటే డాక్టర్ అవ్వచ్చు, మీరు ఏది అవ్వాలనుకున్నా అది అవ్వచ్చు. బట్ దట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్ వెన్ యూ వర్క్ హార్డ్. మీరు కష్టపడితేనే అవుతుంది. సో కష్టపడడం అంటే చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి కష్టపడాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్లోనే మనకి స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళగానే ఏం చెప్తారు? ఏబిసిడీలు నేర్చుకోమంటారు. ఈజీగా వచ్చేస్తాయా ఏబిసిడీలు? అవి నేర్చుకోవాలంటే పలక, బల్బం, పెన్సిల్, పెన్, పేపర్ తీసుకొని ఏ అని ఎన్నిసార్లు రాస్తే వస్తుంది అది. సో అక్కడ స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి మనం నేర్చుకున్న అక్షరాలే మనని ఇక్కడ ఈరోజు నిల్చోబెడతాయి. సో అప్పటి నుంచి మనం నేర్చుకుంటేనే ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ నిల్చోగలుగుతున్నాం. ఒకప్పుడు నేను కూడా మీ ప్లేస్లో ఉండి విన్నాను, ఇప్పుడు నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. దేర్ ఈస్ అ లాట్ చేంజ్, అంటే చాలా చేంజ్ అనేది ఉంది. ఎందుకు? కష్టపడ్డాను కాబట్టి ఇక్కడి వరకు వచ్చాను. సో ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. మీరందరూ కూడా కష్టపడండి, చదువుకోండి చక్కగా. సో మీరేమైతే ఎక్స్ట్రా యాక్టివిటీస్ ఏమైతే చేయాలనుకున్నారో చేసుకోండి. అండ్ ఐ విష్ యూ గుడ్ లక్ ఫర్ ద రీచ్ బియాండ్ అండ్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ మేడం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ ఇన్వైటింగ్ us. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
I am newly recruited SI attached to Karkhana PS. Even मैं भी आप लोगों के जैसे थी एक टाइम पे, बहुत शोर शराबा करती थी, जो नहीं करना बोले वही करती थी. बट इफ यू हैव कुछ एम रखे, छोटे हैं आप, अभी से सोच लीजिए आपको क्या करना है फ्यूचर में. व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, पुट ए गोल नाउ राइट कि क्या करना है. आई वांट टू बिकम सो एंड सो. देन यू कीप वर्किंग हार्ड ऑन इट. आप हार्ड वर्क करते ही वो आता नहीं, मैं आज बस रूम में बैठ के कुछ नहीं, मेरे को वो चीज़ मिल जाना हुआ तो नहीं. इफ यू वर्क हार्ड देन ओनली यू विल अचीव समथिंग इन योर लाइफ. सो फर्स्ट clear in your mind that what you want to become in future, and keep working hard and be disciplined in your activity. Be honest to yourself. Whatever work you do it perfectly, and you should involve yourself in extracurricular activities. Be sportive, participate in games, so that your health will be all right and you will be fit, because health is wealth. If health is good, we can take care of everything. And I thank Reach Beyond organization for supporting these children and giving us opportunity to speak. Thank you.
సో మీకు ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నప్పుడు, మీకు ఏమైనా ఇబ్బంది పెట్టినప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేయాలా? పోలీస్కి కాల్ చేయాలా? పోలీస్కి కాల్ చేయాలంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద నంబర్? అరే వావ్, నేను ఎవరికి తెలియదు అనుకున్నా. యు ఆల్ నో ద నంబర్. దట్స్ వెరీ గుడ్. 100. సో మీరు 100కి కాల్ చేసినప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా మేము మీ దగ్గరికి వస్తాము. సో మెన్ ఆఫీసర్సే కాదు, మేము కూడా ఉన్నాం. వీఆర్ ఆల్సో దేర్ ఫర్ యూ. మేమందరం ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి మీకు ఏ ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నా రావాలి. మా వరకు మీరు రాకూడదని అనుకుంటాను, బట్ ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నప్పుడు మేమున్నాం మీకు. వీ విల్ సపోర్ట్ యూ, వీ విల్ బీ ఫర్ యూ. అండ్ అదే కాకుండా మీ చిన్నపిల్లలు ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి గుడ్ టచ్, బ్యాడ్ టచ్. మీతో మాట్లాడినప్పుడు ఎవరన్నా ఎలా మాట్లాడాలి, ఎవరితో మాట్లాడాలి ఏంటనేది కూడా మీకు తెలియాలి. సో దీని గురించి నాకు మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడన్నా అవకాశం దొరికినప్పుడు ఐ కంటిన్యూ, నాట్ నౌ. సో మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి 100. లేకపోతే పోలీస్ స్టేషన్కి వచ్చినా ఒకసారి రండి, నార్మల్గానే రండి. డూ విజిట్ అవర్ పోలీస్ స్టేషన్. మీకు తెలియాలి కదా మా పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ ఎలా ఉందనేది. ప్లీజ్ గెట్ దెమ్. మీరు రండి ఒకసారి వచ్చి మా పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ మేము ఎలా వర్క్ చేస్తాము ఏంటి. పోలీసులు అంటే ఏంటి, బాగా కొడతారు కదా? ఎస్సా? కాదు నాన్న, మేమేం కొట్టము. వీఆర్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ పోలీస్. సో ఎప్పుడన్నా పోలీసులు మీ దగ్గరికి వచ్చారా? ఎప్పుడు రాలే, మా దగ్గర కూడా రాలే. మేము చిన్న ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా రాలేదు. బట్ ఇప్పుడు వస్తారు పోలీసులు కూడా. మీలో ఒకరు, మీతో ఉంటాం. మీరు పిలవండి, మీతో కలిసి ఆడుకుంటాం కూడా మేము. ఓకేనా? వీ విల్ ప్లే విత్ యూ, వీ విల్ బీ విత్ యూ. ఒకసారి మీ మేడం గేమ్ చెప్తాము. ఒకసారి వీలున్నప్పుడు మీరు మా పోలీస్ స్టేషన్కి వచ్చి విజిట్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ మా.
Children, this year's, the next month's field trip.
About center.
Good evening to one and all, and especially thanks to the guests who came this evening to make a wonderful evening. The organization is run by eminent team of professional psychologists, counselors, educationists, and corporate trainers. Reach Beyond NGO operates on the premises of the three core pillars of positive psychology, that is positive experiences, positive individual traits, and positive institutions. Understanding positive emotions, individual traits, building positive institutions is our main base. Awareness, acceptance, and action, which leads to the study of contentment with the past, happiness in the present, and hope for the future. We are offering free and confidential counseling, psychological assessments, IQ, projective personality tests, and so on. The organization shares the gift of joy and fulfillment to those in need by providing them with opportunities to grow and flourish through the services like after-school program. This program providing platform for learning skills like positive psychology, communication, computer, music, dance, and also jewelry, fashion, and mehendi designing. We are launching certificate course in skills of positive psychology, positive mental health, fashion and jewelry designing. Highlights from 2019 to till date. We have stepped forward in quantifying skills of positive psychology and its dimensions online, offline to the society are awareness on positive psychology for Cedar India Private Limited, Symbiosis Deemed University, and National Institute of Fashion Technology. Mindfulness programs on mental health for Kasturba Gandhi Women's College and St. Martin's Engineering College. Reinventing self and self-regulation for College of Defence Management and Manipal Institute of Technology. facilitators training program for Sri Vishwa Bharati Vidya Niketan Vijayawada. Cultivating gratitude for teachers of St. Francis School, Suchitra Academy and Ajwasa Educational Services. Teachers' well-being and overview of learning difficulties for Kasturba College and St. Philomena Girls School. We invite support in form of volunteers, interns and sponsors to reach the pinnacle of success. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the speech. Yes, now it's cause for a celebration. Let's have a dance performance by our senior girls.
गुलाब तोड़ ले, नींदों की टहनियों से ख्वाब तोड़ ले। हो काटे रहने दे गुलाब तोड़ ले, नींदों की टहनियों से ख्वाब तोड़ ले। ख्वाहिशों की है कहानियाँ पढ़ी, चुनने कहानियाँ किताब जोड़ ले। भीगी है जिंदगी तो यारा, इशारा सारा बदल दे नजारा जगा। छुड़ा ले दबदबा है तेरा, राहों की मुश्किलों से कुश्तियां लड़ा ले। जो होगा सो होगा, होने देना घबराना, तू अपनी कोशिश में कंजूसी ना कर जाना। किस्मत की लहरों पे यारा, लेके निकल तू शिकारा, चमकेगा तेरा भी सितारा। जगा ले तू जगा ले जज्बा, जगा ले तू जगा ले जज्बा, जगा ले तू जगा ले जज्बा, जगा ले तू जगा ले जज्बा।
For giving vote of thanks.
On the special demand, they want to see the skit again. We have to show to them what we are doing.
We made by us.
And we have that all we have learned in Reach Beyond.
I want to speak few words about our Reach Beyond. So I am Samira from class 10. Today I am going to speak few words about Reach Beyond. So I came to Reach Beyond when I am in 2nd class. Now I am in 10th class. From these 8 years, during these 8 years, I learned so many things like speaking English and doing maths. By our Lakshmi ma'am taught us maths very nicely. But we miss you ma'am in this pandemic time. So I realized that you come class to our center and teach again. And I thank to Sneha Didi also for teaching dance to us. And Harshita ma'am also to teach us lovely song. We thought that first when we came to center, ma'am and some ma'ams are talking few words that I didn't understand what they are talking. After that I asked to some people who are around there and they said about what they thought. And I again want to talk with ma'am and I taught. So I learned so many things from Reach Beyond. I am thankful to Jesh ma'am for giving this opportunity.
Samira, it was great, and I would like to say one thing that Samira have spoke now only. She did not prepare first. She thought now only and she spoke. Now I request Guru to complete vote of thanks.
Hello everyone, my name is B. Guru Prakash. So I am thankful to Constable ma'ams and guests for your valuable time, and I am thankful to my friends for giving me a cherishable moment, and thank you volunteers for helping us to do this. Thank you.